It is day number 10 of my Seamoss challenge, you all. Hi there, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use healthy foods, seeds and nuts and herbs, and a healthy smoothie to help to manage chronic ailments such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. For my birth month of October, I am doing a 31-day Seamoss challenge where I do Seamoss for breakfast every single day for the month of October. I share a video with you. Each day, I will outline one health benefit that you can get from Seamoss. Now, to recap the last 9 days, we've talked about health benefits such as aiding to manage your blood pressure, aiding to manage your blood sugar, aiding to maintain healthy, glowing, hydrated skin, helping with your gut health, helping to boost your immune system. Now, today's day number 10, and this one is for the boys. So, gentlemen, come to the front of the line because I am going to tell you about how Seamoss can help with male health. So go get your husbands, go get your brother, go get your baby daddy, bring them to the front of the line because we are going to talk about Seamoss for male health. Now, I take a tablespoon of Seamoss, and some people say take 2 tablespoons. I think 1 tablespoon of Seamoss daily is where you need to start. Now, you can overdo it with Seamoss. Seamoss is high in iodine. You can overdo it with Seamoss. Seamoss is packed with fiber. So if you're going from a diet that is not packed with fiber to start putting too much fiber in your body all at once, that can create some digestive discomfort. So be careful, you guys. Once you're starting with Seamoss, take 1 tablespoon a day, do it for a week, see how your stomach reacts to it, see how it makes you feel, and then you can start with adding maybe 2 tablespoons. So I take 1 tablespoon per day. Check out this beauty, you guys. And wash it down with some water. I make my own Seamoss at home. This is homemade, 100% all natural homemade Seamoss is what you see right here, you guys. If you're looking for the video of how to make homemade Seamoss, you're going to click right here. This is how I make homemade Seamoss, made the video, share it there for you. Now, boys, are you at the front of the line? Let's talk about it. Now, Seamoss is packed with 92 of the 102 essential minerals. Essential means your body needs it. You have to get it from outside sources, such as supplements or from your food, right? When someone say essential minerals, that's what they mean. Seamoss is a great source of zinc. Zinc is great for male health. Zinc helps to support the healthy production of testosterone. Zinc helps to support the healthy production of sperm. Zinc helps to promote sperm motility. Gentlemen, you all worry about your testosterone. I know you all worry about your sperm count. And I know you all worry about your sperm motility as you guys age, right? Seamoss is going to be great to help you with that. So not only does Seamoss boost your energy, boost your stamina, a lot of you all who have issues, male health issues, a lot of you may be on high blood pressure medication that is creating some of these side effects, right? Such as affecting your manhood. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? So Seamoss is going to give you that double whammy. It's going to boost your energy. It's going to boost your stamina. It's going to help to regulate your blood pressure, help to wean you off of that medication that you're on that is blocking your blood flow, preventing blood from flowing down to your male part, and kind of inhibiting you from performing as you should, you guys. You all heard about Bob Marley? That man, from what I've read, Swear by Seamoss. Y'all know how many kids that man have? Not bragging and boasting that it's great to have all these kids, right? But Seamoss is one of the things he claimed help him with his male reproduction, right? Seamoss. So gentlemen, again, if you're not at the front of the line, come to the front of the line. Ladies, take this and share it with your boys. Share it with your men. Share it with your baby daddy. Share it with your husband. Share it with your brothers. Share it with your daddy. Whomever you think may need some help in the male production area, right? Zinc. Great source of zinc you will find in Seamoss. Help with testosterone, help with your sperm count, help with your sperm production, your testosterone production, help with your sperm motility, right? Seamoss. It is day number 10 of my 31-day Seamoss challenge, and the 10th health benefit is male health, male reproductive health. Again, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use healthy smoothies, healthy herbs and seeds and nuts and weeds and gels to prevent chronic ailments such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. And those issues are the root cause of a lot of other issues that we have, such as high blood pressure in men. Then you take high blood pressure medication, which may lower your blood pressure, but it's not helping with your blood flow. Irregular or blood that is not flowing properly is going to inhibit you from performing like you would like to. Guys, you know what I'm talking about, right? Seamoss. If you have not already started on Seamoss, go to your local Caribbean market, your local maybe African market, go to your local farmer's market. You may find seaweed, you may find sea moss, sometimes we call it Irish moss. Take it home, rinse it properly, wash it properly, try to get rid of, some of the impurities that may be in it, some of the salt and the weeds and so forth that you may not need that's coming from the ocean. Rinse it, wash it, rinse it with some lemon, soak it overnight, rinse it again, blend it up, make you a Seamoss. And the video is right here how you guys can do that. Again, it's day number 10 of my 31-day Seamoss challenge. If you already are not, follow me, like and share and subscribe. Come back for more tomorrow and the next day and the day after that, because we're gonna have at minimum 31 health benefits that you can get from Seamoss. Today is day number 10. And every morning I come on here, look at the skin glowing, you all. No makeup on this morning, you guys. Got up, took a shower, washed my face, put some moisturizer on. That's what's going on. The face is glowing. Check out the nails, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Check out the nails. So many health benefits you can get from Seamoss, and I'm super excited to continue to share that with you. And how you guys can give back to me, just share this video, like this video, share it with your friend or a family that may need to know some of the health benefits you can get from Seamoss, because all of us at all ages can benefit from having healthy, clean, wholesome Seamoss in your diet on a daily basis. And you can make it at home, you guys. So follow, like, and share for more.